Hi guys, to receive this wireless inflatable pump for ribbon purposes, so let me take it out of the box, okay? It's perfect for inflating bikes, motorcycles, cars, even some balls like baseball, which I think it's really nice. Okay, here is the main unit, as you can see. It's this protective film, which I'm going to take out, and we also have the instruction manual and all the pieces that you are gonna need for different uses, okay? As a car charger that goes like this. You have different nozzles that you can use, which I think is nice. Okay, you can test this or directly with one of these bits, okay? For depending of what you need is what you're gonna place it, okay? To turn it on, we're gonna long press the middle button like this, and we can see that it turns on, okay? We can select the mode for depending of what we need, okay? And we can just press it and it starts working, okay? So let's go ahead outside and test it. I'm gonna test it with my car, so let's go. We have a sensor in here that tells us how much pressure is in our tire, so we're gonna fill that up. So as you can see, when it's already finished, it automatically stops to preventing overflating your tires, which I think it's really nice. And as you can see, it's really easy to use. Almost you can just plug it in, have it in your car or wherever you need it, and it's really nice and works really good. And I will really recommend it. See you guys.